Welcome again on Trivial Hub. In this video, I'm gonna show you the right website you can use for downloading PyCharm. First of all, you will visit your browser, your web browser. For me, I'm gonna use Google Chrome as my browser. I will choose my account, and after that, you will type here JetBrains, and you will have this JetBrains as a software development company which develop tools for software developers and project managers. You will click on JetBrains for accessing their official website. After that, you will scroll down. They have all tools you can choose from their website, which can help you for developing the software or managing your project. Now our purpose is downloading PyCharm. Here we have PyCharm. It's IDE for Python, for Django, for Jupyter Notebook, and here we have this desktop where to download. It's very simple and easy. Nothing much for downloading. After accessing their website, their official website, after that you will click on download. If you are using that high performance processor, you will choose this second one, but if it's normal, you can use this first one. After that, you will click on your choice, and we already started downloading the PyCharm. And make sure that you like this video.